First, we are going to discuss how we can change the font type. Or how we can set the font type. So what you are going to do is, if you are going to set it for the first time, your blank cell will be there. You will click on that, and then before writing you will do the following adjustments that we are going to discuss. But if you have already written and you want to change it, for that you need to choose the selects which you want the fonts to be changed. You need to select the cells beforehand. So how we are going to do this is, first we are going to select the cells, then we will click on the home tab as it was shown in the previous video, and we will click on the font group. When we click on the font group, we will click on the font box, and this font drop down box will appear. When this list appears, this drop down list appears, you will find a number of fonts are given there, along with how do they look like. Their preview is also shown along with them. So whichever preview you like most, whichever font you like most, you will click onto that. As soon as you click onto that, your font type will get changed. Next, we move ahead with the font size. Again, if you are doing it before writing the text, your cell will be blank, and if you are doing it onto the already written text, you need to choose that. So select this cell where you want to change the font size of. Again, we will go to the home tab, the same section of the font group, and now this time we will click next to the arrow that is given in the font size box. This is font size box, and we will click onto the next arrow of that. And again, when we click on this one, we get a drop down list. That drop down list is showing you the number of font sizes available. So you can choose any of the font size that suits you, and the font size of the chosen cell will get changed. Like here you can see factors also given in the book that the default font is Calibri. When you have not chosen any of the font for your cells, the default cell in the Excel will be Calibri, and the default size of the text will be 11 point. These are the default settings, but if you wish, you can go to this group and change them. Next, we have the font styles. Again, to apply the font styles also, you need to select your text in the cell, and these all the font styles are going to help us to emphasize the text. The first option is the bold. Click on the home tab, go to the fonts group, and you will find B written over there. This B is for bold. As soon as you click on this, your text will appear like this. It will become highlighted, it will become bold. If you wish to do the same from the keyboard, you can make use of the shortcut key Ctrl+B. This is the keyboard shortcut for making the text bold. Next, if you wish, you can make use of the italic option also, but using the same home group font, go and click on the italic. When you click on the italic, your text that is written, that will become slanting. This text after being italicized will become slanting. From the keyboard also it can be done. For that you need to select the text, then press Ctrl+I key from the keyboard. Next, we have the underline. That also is done in the same way. We need to go to the home tab, to the font group, and in the font group we will find U written over there. That U will put a line under your text. You can see this one is the effect of the italicized, and when you will select and click on U, it will have a line under it. To do the same from the keyboard, you can make use of the shortcut key Ctrl+U. So we have the three shortcuts for these three options. For bold, Ctrl+B, for italicized, Ctrl+I, and for underline, Ctrl+U. These are the shortcut keys that can be used for doing the same options. Now we move ahead with changing the font color. How can we change the font color? Again, for that also we need to select the cells where we need to change the color of. Then again move to the home tab. Again in the font group you will find a font color button. This is font color button. Click onto the arrow next to this. As soon as we do this, a color palette will open in front of us, and that color palette will show you number of colors that are available. So you can see number of colors are available here. Some standard colors are also available. So you can choose any of the color from this palette. But if you are not satisfied with the given colors, you don't like the given colors, you can go for the more color. In the more colors, you will get the option to create your own colors. So you can create from there own colors with different shades. So this way you can change the font color of your text. Next we have cell alignment. Alignment means where we are going to place the text or the number with respect to the left and right margin. That is, in the cell where we are going to place the text, whether we are going to place it onto the left side, right side, in the center, bottom, middle, top, where we are going to place the text, that is known as the alignment. So we have different type of alignment, and for using the alignments also we need to make use of the home tab and the paragraph group. And the first alignment is the top alignment. Now before doing all this, we need to do one common step, that is to select the cells. So first is the top alignment. Where we will find the top alignment? Again in the home, in the alignment group, this icon is shown. This is top align. So when we will click on this top align, your text will move to the top of the cell. And you can make use of the shortcut key from the keyboard. First you need to press Alt plus H and then A plus T key, and this will align your text to the top of the cell. Middle alignment. For middle alignment, again the same thing is to be done. Select the text, go and click on the middle alignment, and the text will come to the center of the cell. For the shortcut from the keyboard, Alt plus H key and then A plus M key is to be used. Next we move ahead with the bottom alignment. In the bottom alignment, again choose the text and then go to the alignment option in the home and click on the bottom alignment. The text will move to the bottom of the cell. For the keyboard shortcut, we have Alt plus H and then we have A plus B key to be pressed, and the alignment will be done. Then aligning the text to the left. When we say aligning the text to the left, we need to click on the left alignment icon given in the home tab in alignment group, and the text will move towards the left of the cell. From the keyboard, same can be done using Alt plus H and then A plus L key is to be pressed. Next alignment is the center alignment. Same procedure is to be followed, and in the alignment we will be clicking on the center alignment icon. As soon as you click on this, the text will move to the center of the cell. From the keyboard, press Alt plus H key first and then A plus C. Pressing these keys will make your text center align. And the last type of the alignment available is the right alignment. Same procedure is to be followed. Then go to the alignment, click on the right align icon. The text will move towards the right side. From the keyboard, Alt plus H and then A plus R. Just remember that this Alt plus H is common for every type of alignment, whether it is top, left, center, right, justified, whatever it is. Alt plus H is common, and then according to the alignment along with the A key, you have to press the respective key. If it is the right align, it is A plus R. If it is center align, it is A plus C. So you can remember it this way.